Welcome back to another DaVinci Resolve video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add text in DaVinci Resolve and also see how you can animate that text and give style that text. Let's get started. Here I am in DaVinci Resolve, where I have already added some video clips to my timeline. Now I would like to overlay a text on these video clips and animate the text. First, go to the left-hand corner and click the media pool. Here you can see lots of video and audio transition and effects. Under the toolbox, you will find numerous options. Let's click on the titles. Here you can see different types of titles that you can use in the editing. There are some basic titles that can be used for the lower third. As you move the cursor, you can preview the title how title looks like on the monitor. You can preview of these titles before placing them on the video timeline. Additionally, there are some animated titles. For instance, as you move the cursor on the scrolls, you can see the effect. Now we are going to use a basic text title. To insert the title on the timeline, simply click on it and drag it over onto the timeline and place it above your video clip and see the preview. Now after that, you can adjust the clip duration simply by stretching. Select the text and go to the box. And here, you can type your text according to your video. Now select the text, and here you can change different fonts. There is a variety of fonts you can select according to your requirements. You can set the font face. Select Color tab. You will see a variety of colors options. You can select here and change the color of the font. Here you can adjust the size, tracking, line spacing as per your requirements. Here you can see many options that you can use to format your text, position, rotation, and by double-clicking you can reset to the original position. You can add a stroke here. And you can also add a drop shadow. It will help the text stand out as 3D text. Here, you can also add the background and adjust the height and width. You can also adjust the opacity and shape of background. To animate the text, go to the left-hand side and select Video Transitions. And let's try some preset transitions to animate the text. As you move the cursor, you can preview the transition, how the title looks like on the monitor, and you can apply these transitions by simply dragging and dropping. Let's try Push Transition to the text and see how it looks like. Additionally, you can also add manual transmission to the text. Go to the right-hand side under the inspector, select the video, then Settings. Here you can transform the text according to your requirements. Let's try to add some interesting movements to the text. Create the keyframes. You can also add transparency to your text. That's how you can create interesting text animations. Let's add some more keyframes. Now once again, go to transform the text to its final position, and keyframes will be generated automatically. Let's play the video and see how text animation looks like. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. I hope this tutorial has been helpful to you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials.